फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello and a very warm welcome to all our viewers. You're watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel, and we are here to discuss the 60th match of IPL 2024. And with this match, we officially have our first team into the playoffs of IPL 2024. Kolkata Knight Riders has entered into the playoffs. And they have become the first team इस season में जिन्होंने अपने लिए qualification हासिल की है. And the kind of cricket that they have been playing, well, it's no doubt that they deserve to be in the spot that they are. You can see the points table on your screen. They are very well at the top with 12 matches and 18 points, and they have become the first team to qualify for the playoffs. किसका मैच था? आज मैच था KKR versus Mumbai Indians, and Mumbai Indians is just going downhill with every game they are playing. This was their second last match. They have played 13 matches and they have only won 4 out of them. They are at as I said, second last position, 9th position with only 8 points to their name. उनके नीचे है पंजाब जिन्होंने 12 मैच में 8 पॉइंट है, लेकिन उनका रन रेट काफी खराब है MI से. दैट इज द रीजन पंजाब इज एट द बॉटम ऑफ द टेबल. बट मुंबई इज ऑब्वियसली दे वर ऑफिशियली रूल्ड आउट when Hyderabad defeated LSG few days back, but they have a lot to play for their pride, their fans, as many MI players have been saying. But another loss in their kitty. But KKR, they are just playing quality cricket, beating every side on their way, and they are showing that they well and truly deserve to be into the playoffs. I'll take you through the match. It was a 16 over match. बारिश के कारण match late शुरू हुआ, toss late हुआ, and the match was played 16 overs a side. KKR came out to bat first. Phil Salt, Sunil Narayan, the openers, दोनों नहीं चले. Salt scoring 6, Narayan getting out on the first ball. जसप्रीत बुमराह की वो यॉर्कर और फुल लेंथ डिलीवरी आप कह सकते हैं. Narayan backed out and he wanted to play that shot. He thought the ball is missing the stumps. उन्होंने छोड़नी चाहिए, but ball सीधी wickets पे आगे लग गई. Could have said it was a brain fade moment for Sunil Narayan, but the opening combination for KKR didn't work at all. Venkatesh Iyer, 42 of 21, a quality innings by the number 3 batter from KKR. He is a quality batter, but he has been out of form in this IPL, in and out of form. Shreyas Iyer again a failure, 7 of 10 balls. Nitish Rana played a decent innings, 33 of 23. Andrew Russell came and did what he does, 24 of 14. Rinku Singh, the finisher for KKR, scoring 20 of 12 balls. Ramandeep Singh adding his flavor at the bottom of the scorecard, 17 of 8 balls. And then Mitchell Stark. KKR, while batting first in their 16 overs, I'll remind you again, it was a 16 over match. बारिश के कारण मैच लेट शुरू हुआ और 16 overs aside का मैच था. KKR managed to score 157 for the loss of 7 wickets in their 16 overs. अब 16 over में 157 is a decent total. 20 overs में it's a par total. You don't consider it good enough, but in 16 overs with 24 balls less, you would any day buy it. Mumbai, even though they have a gun batting lineup, but they failed to chase this down. They had a gun power play. The way rather Ishan Kishan started 40 of 22 balls. A great performance, but then again, even he couldn't convert it into a big one. Rohit Sharma, his form has been a major concern. Even though he has a century this season against Chennai Super Kings, he has showed some great cameos. But apart from that, he has been struggling big time with the bat. And him being the captain and going into the T20 World Cup as a captain for the Indian team, it's a big concern for the Indian fans, and they have been very vocal about it on social media. Surya Kumar Yadav, the man in form, the centurion from the last game, 11 of 14 balls. Again, didn't do enough for the team. Couldn't work today. Tilak Verma showed good promise, 32 of 17, but even that couldn't help MI. Hardik Pandya again 2 of 4. Tim David 3 of 3. Neil Vadera getting run out on 0. Naman Dheer actually gave a sign of worry और थोड़ा वो टेंशन उन्होंने KKR को आखिरी में दे दी थी in the second last over when he was smashing the ball all over the park. और आखिरी ओवर में जाते जाते 23 रन रह गए थे. नमन धीर ने 17 रन मारे ऑफ 6 बॉल्स और वो थोड़ा उन्होंने एज ए से ना वरी दे दी थी KKR को कि दिस माइट शिफ्ट द गेम माइट शिफ्ट इनटू MI's फेवर. हालांकि आखिरी ओवर में फिर बहुत रन चाहिए थे. एंड Navandir got out on the first ball of the last over. Then obviously Tilak Verma got out in that over, and Shulkam Bose, Piyush Chawla, they are ballers, they are the tail-enders. You don't expect much from them. And MI lost the match by 18 runs. KKR, as I said, they are well and truly into the playoffs, and they deserve that spot with the kind of cricket that they have been playing. And as you can see the points table on your screen, KKR becomes the first team to officially qualify. Rajasthan is more or less into the playoffs. They are playing really good. They have 3 matches left. They are already on 16 points. Hyderabad also 2 matches left on 14. They can go up to 18. They are also more or less sorted. It's the number 4 spot जिसको लेके चैलेंज है, जिसको लेके फाइट है. CSK, Delhi, LSG, RCB, ये जो टीमें हैं, an outside chance for Gujarat Titans as well. You never know. They have 2 matches. They can go up to 14 points, but then again they'll obviously rely on a lot of other teams losing their matches, and so will RCB and Lucknow. And Delhi, but Chennai Super Kings have a very comfortable position. They are in now. Both Chennai, Delhi and Lucknow, they can win all their matches and go up to 14-16. But कल जो double header है ना, वो इसलिए important हो जाता है because tomorrow CSK plays Rajasthan Royals. Rajasthan can again officially become the second team to qualify, but Chennai Super Kings can also strengthen their batting, their obviously positioning with the win tomorrow. And then RCB plays Delhi Capitals, another big game. RCB needs to win both of their games. First is again DC, then JSK, और कल ऋषभ पंत नहीं होंगे. He has been banned from one match because of slow over rate. So it's a double header. It's a really important day for IPL 2024 tomorrow. So do tune in to Cricket Next. Subscribe the channel. We'll discuss all the scenarios tomorrow. We'll do a live where we discuss all the scenarios and which team can go, or will these 2 matches be MS Dhoni's last 2 matches? क्योंकि अगर CSK qualify नहीं करी तो this very well could be MS Dhoni's last 2 matches ever, because this is said to be his last IPL. So बहुत कुछ है बातें करने को, बहुत कुछ है देखने को, सुनने को. So do tune into the Cricket Next YouTube channel. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon. Follow us across all our social media platforms. IPL is well and towards into its business end, और जहां हर एक मैच इंपॉर्टेंट हो रहा है वहां क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट आपके लिए ये सारी अपडेट्स लेके आता रहेगा. तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और तब तक के लिए एंजॉय करिए IPL 2024 एंड हैव अ वेरी गुड नाइट. थैंक यू.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म.
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.